have a look to the placement process that we follow. So the first thing we do is we collect the student data, the information. So we'll start by understanding each of you in a better way. We collect data like your educational background, your domain, your salary, your experience, and what skill set you hold, right? After collecting this data, I will be segmenting you in three groups. The first group will be of freshers, second group will be of the experienced candidates, and the third group will be of the career switchers. Hmm. So, like before applying for the jobs, we'll be training you. Apart from this cybersecurity course, your curriculum, we'll be training you with the soft skills, your communication skills, and your vocabulary. So, before applying for the jobs, we will prepare you professionally. And after that, I will be helping you in building your resume and making a clean professional cybersecurity resume and optimizing your LinkedIn profiles to attract the recruiters. Right. And after that, we'll be conducting the mock interviews. So, guys, in the duration of 2 months, we have 3 mock interviews, which are the practice interviews to boost your confidence. And like if you after clearing those mock interviews, I will be matching you with the correct opportunity and sharing your job openings regularly over your emails, and will be matching you to the job which suits your skills, domains, and experience. Yeah. After conducting the interview, you will be once you clear the interview, the selected candidates will receive offer letters, and they'll be like guiding you through the onboarding process. So the first round is going to like be the most important, and the which is going to focus on your fundamental knowledge and your skill set. And the second round is the hiring managerial round, which basically focuses on like what experience you have, your problem solving abilities, and whether you fit into the culture or not. Basically, it is the HR round we have. So there is no like more than 2 rounds, but these are the main 2 rounds we have. So now I want you everyone to focus on like why you should choose cybersecurity over other fields, right? So as you can see, there is no need of coding. So unlike many other tech fields, you don't need to be a programmer to start cybersecurity. That makes it more accessible to the students from non-technical backgrounds also. And the placement rate is high. So as we know that there is a like global shortage of cybersecurity professionals, that means companies are actively looking to hire. So the chance for placement rate is high. And like you need more like at most 3 months to get the job. Like you can land a job in just 2 to 3 months after completing a good cybersecurity course, which Cybervie is going to provide you. Right. So it's one of the fastest track to employment in the tech industry also. And the industry rate is high. Whether you go into healthcare, you go into education, you go into finance sector, need for cybersecurity experts is always there. Okay. So there is a strong need for jobs. There is a strong job security also, like with cyber threats constantly evolving everywhere, so company needs protection, and as well as the professionals also. So this is in this slide you can see there are various SOC roles, salary, and the key responsibilities. So we start with the junior SOC analyst. The experience required is 0 to 3 years with a salary of 3.5 to 6.5 LPA. This is the average. In Cybervie, there was a student. I cannot reveal the name, but he got 7.5 LPA for the SOC analyst role, right? As you can see, with the experience, the salary is also increasing. So this slide shows a typical career path in the Security Operations Center, starting from junior SOC analyst to SOC manager. And each role includes increasing responsibility, salary, and the experience, right? So these are the targeted companies I have for this year. So I have only listed 10 for now, but we have more than this. Due to some privacy policies, I cannot add everything. But once you connect with me, once you enroll, everything I will let you know. Right. So these are the targeted companies. Please have a look. And as far as we talk about last year, there were 67 plus candidates who were placed from Cybervie. And this year, 17 candidates were placed so far. And let me tell you, we have a tie-up with 17 plus, 28 plus companies to get you all placed, right? So in the end, just wanted to tell you, like, there are various advantages to of placement in cybersecurity, like the global job market is witnessing massive demand. Cybersecurity is not just like going ahead in India, but the demand is all over the world, right? And the chance for internal job transfers is very common. And you don't need any like DSA aptitude round, the algorithm, nothing is required. HR selection process is very easy.